Hello, it's me, Kathleen, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Cherry Madeira cake. So first of all, I coated the Glace Cherries. I washed them first, then I coated them with some self-raising flour, and next of all, we're going to cream the butter and sugar together. I've got 175 grams of butter, and also I've got some caster sugar, which is the same measurement as the butter, 175 grams. So it has to be like, and it has to be creamy like this, to give that cream through until it is light and fluffy. Can you see how it's creamy and fluffy? Almost light enough. Next we're going to add one egg. Next we're going to add one egg at a time. So crack only one, then add the next two. And this is the second egg, and I'm going to add the second one until it is. Once your second egg is gone, can add the third one. Now this is a last egg. Gonna put this last one in. You're gonna beat it really well with the mixture. Little tip for you here, because there's a bit. Don't worry, just add a tablespoon of flour. Next ingredient I'm going to put in is a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next we're going to put in is the self-raising flour, which is 220 grams. Just put that in the sieve and give that a sieve through. And to that I'm going to add in some teaspoon of baking powder, which is this one. This is a teaspoon, so I'm just going to put it in instead and give that a sieve through. You're gonna mix it in until it is mixed well to combine with. Your cake batter should look like this. And lastly, I'm going to put in is the Glace Cherries, which has been coated in